Welcome to Touch and Fetch.
Hey, welcome to this video. Today we are going to just see about Oppo Enco W11 earbud. So let's see the unboxing. So let's see the major difference between Oppo Enco W11 earbud and ordinary TWS earphones. In this product, it has left to right simultaneous Bluetooth transmission. When comparing with other devices, instead of receiving signals on one side and sending them to other, in this product, it receives signals on both the sides at the same time as latency is low and connection is more stable. Oppo Enco comes with Bluetooth 5.0. It covers a Bluetooth range of 10 meters so that you can have an uninterrupted audio. When it comes to charge and playback, the charging case weighs up to 35.5 grams and the earphones weight is 44.3 grams. The earbuds weight is 4.4 g grams. The charging port is enabled with USB Type-C and the color is white. The battery capacity of a earbud is 40 mAh and the charging case is 400 mAh. A single earbud can have a standby of 5 hours of playback without the charging case. When it is with the charging case, it lasts for 20 hours, but the charging time takes only just 20 minutes to boost up the charging case, and just 15 minutes of charge can make up to 1 hour of playback time. So you can accompany it whenever you need it and use it wherever you want to. When it comes to bass and clarity in the audio, in this product they have used 8 dynamic drivers with titanium plate which enhances bass and extend the reach of high frequency of ultra clear audio. It has a higher audio coding rate. Let's enjoy the every detail of the music using this product. This product comes with IP55 dust and water resistance 4. So when you sweat out, if the water or the sweat spills into the earbuds, it will nothing get damaged in it. So this product is so handy and compact, so which can fit into our ears and looks cool when we wear on it. So it can be done as play pause using one tap, changing tracks using double tap, answering and ending calls with double tap, activating the voice assistant with triple tap, adjusting the volume using touch and hold. As all earbuds comes with nowadays with the noise cancellation, this also is featured with noise cancellation. When we attend calls, the automatically noise cancellations get activated and you get the clear audio in it. When it comes to touch intelligent, like other devices, it also has the same features like play pause, changing tracks, answering and ending up calls, activating voice assistant, adjusting volume. It comes with a weight of 4.4 grams, small and ultra light design which looks cool into our ears. I hope you guys try it out. Like my channel. If you want to follow us, subscribe our channel, hit thumbs up if you like the video. The link will be given in description to buy the product. Hit it, buy it. Thank you.